I'm Shawn from Aroundest, and this is how you make a headlamp for less than 10 bucks. So all you need to make a DIY headlamp is one bike light, the kind that you can just kind of click and it does its thing, and one buff scarf. I like buffs. I use them while I'm regularly hiking, so I use them during the day, so it's not like I'm adding anything extra to the packing list. But if you don't have a buff or you don't want to buy one, you can just use a headband. It's not a big deal. And to make your headlamp, all you do is take your buff, pinch it down, and ta-da! Should fit on your head pretty easily. And that's how you make a headlamp. Done. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Shawn from Aroundest. Go ahead and subscribe for more weird, crappy DIY videos like this and all sorts of advice on how to take a next trip.